Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So sometime back I had shared a video on Christmas theme melt and pour soap, and after that I've got a lot of requests from people asking to share something with cold process soap. So today I'm going to be doing a very simple and easy Christmas theme cold process soap. Now this is going to be a triple butter with yogurt cold process soap. The basic formulation of how to make a cold process soap will be as usual shared in the description box. For those who would like to learn how to make soaps with milk, with different butters, with yogurt, with fresh juices, purees, you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box for the workshops. So we'll quickly start. Now here I have my blend of oils and butters which I have already melted and cooled them completely so that we can start making the soap. We do not make it when this is hot. Next here I have my lye water solution. For those who are beginners, please watch my precautions on how to handle lye before you even make a basic cold process soap. That is very important. And here I have my yogurt which I have weighed out and taken to add for this formulation that we are making today. Again, yogurt contains a very high amount of lactic acid, very good to lighten and brighten your skin and suitable for all skin types. So first of all, I'll quickly go ahead and add my weighed out yogurt to the oils, and we'll go ahead and give it a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and given the yogurt a very good blend in the oils and butters that we had weighed out. And now here I have my lye water solution which I'm going to go ahead and pour it in this mixture. And then we'll go ahead and again give it one blend till it reaches trace. So now this has reached a very light trace, but since I want to make it in 3 colors, I am going to stop here so that we have enough time to add our colors to this. So I'll go ahead and put it in 3 different containers here. And now in one container I'm going to go ahead and add red. In the other one I'm going to go ahead and add green. And this will remain as it is. I'm not adding any color to this. Okay, so we'll just give this a mix. I'll go ahead and quickly add my fragrances to this. Now for the fragrance I'm adding Moroccan rose here. You can go ahead and add any other fragrance of your choice. And we are going to go ahead and give this a very nice swirl. Now if you see, our batter is already thickening, so we have to go ahead and do this really quick. So I've gone ahead and poured my colors, and I will just go ahead and give this a swirl. And we will leave it as it is. I will mix the green, and now we'll go ahead and pour the green and just give it a top layer. So now I've gone ahead and put that coating color, and now we'll just go ahead and do our top decoration with whatever we have left here. And I'll quickly go ahead and give this a good design before this thickens. Okay, so that's about it. I have gone ahead and made this soap. Now we'll go ahead and just spray this with 99% rubbing alcohol, and we'll leave this for it to completely set in the mold. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut the soaps, and this is how it looks from inside. It's got these lovely swirls with the green color. So this is the final look of the soaps. This is our yogurt with our triple butter soap, and we have given it a Christmas theme. You can also make a nice candy cane, just a white and red one as well. Lot of different variations you can do. And if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share with you all more such different variations, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.